Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2x equals to number 1 minus 2 sine a squared. So cosine s, that is about number 2 multiplied by s over 2. And this one, we need to transform into this one because we want to cancel number 1 in here. So 1 minus 1, we cancel. Eight divided by negative number 2, we have negative number 4. And this one we can put like this. So the integration of this one, we will have negative number 1 over 1 over 2. Because coefficient of s over 2, that is about 1 over 2. And then we have cotangent s over 2. And I will put about c. Now we simplify this one. And we have number 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.